Here's Hagrid with a box that he brought in from the garage. Hagrid, what have you got? What did you find? Eh? Now what are you doing? Okay, don't come to see Mommy. Here comes Silas. What's Silas? Hey, what's Silas doing? Hi, Silas. There's a nice doggy. Silas, sit. Good boy. Look at how handsome you are. What's your brother got? Eh? What's your brother got? You gonna eat it? Hmm? Come here, sit. Oh, here he is visiting Faye. Hi, Faye.
Hi.
Hagrid. What are you doing? Sit for Mama. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. There's Silas. He's sitting too. Good boy, Hagrid. Hey, what you got? Who's that? Is that Daddy? I can just hear you thinking, I want to see the video.
Me?
Oh, here he goes. No, the dog. There he goes. Where are you going? What you got, Hagrid?
Silas.
It's hardly a mystery. That's clearly a dude.